In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade directly on TradingView using Pepperstone, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to connect your account, place a trade with a stop loss and take profit, monitor your positions, and close them confidently. Make sure you're signed in to TradingView and that your internet connection is stable, since trading requires a continuous connection. Start on any chart in TradingView. At the bottom of the chart window, open the trading panel. It sits along the lower edge and may be collapsed. If you don't see it, look for a small arrow or the panel tab and expand it. This is the control center, where you'll connect to your broker and manage your trades without leaving the chart. In the list of available brokers, find Pepperstone and click Connect. If the list is long, scroll or use the search bar. Clicking Connect opens a secure login window. Enter your Pepperstone account credentials directly into that window. Keep your details private and make sure you're logging into the correct region or server associated with your account. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that to finish the connection. Once connected, you'll see your account reflected in the trading panel. Now, select the symbol or market you want to trade. You can use the search box at the top of the chart to find a Forex pair, index, commodity, or another instrument Pepperstone supports. Check the time frame and zoom in to confirm the recent price action, and be mindful of spreads and volatility before placing any order. When you're ready, click Buy to open a long position if you believe price will rise, or click Sell to open a short position if you expect it to fall. This brings up the order panel. Enter your quantity to control your position size. Then set your stop loss to define the maximum risk you're comfortable with, and your take profit to lock in gains at a target level. A common approach is to place stops beyond recent highs or lows and choose a take profit that offers a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. Double-check everything before confirming the order. After your trade is live, monitor it in the trading panel. You'll see your open positions, entry price, current profit or loss, and account balance. Watching these details helps you understand margin usage and keep risk under control. When it's time to close a trade, click your open position in the panel and then tap Close. Confirm the action, and your position will be exited at the current available price. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.